Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been watching Bajaj Auto climb for 3 weeks. Higher highs, higher lows. Everything looks bullish, but something feels wrong. The rallies are getting smaller. Each new high barely beats the last one. The chart is rising, but the momentum is fading, like a car going uphill that is running out of fuel. Today, Rahul learns why rising does not always mean bullish. Welcome to Wedge Patterns. Rahul learns wedge patterns. A wedge is a chart pattern where two converging trend lines slope in the same direction. Both lines go up or both lines go down, but they're getting closer together, squeezing price into a narrower range. There are two types. Rising wedge, where both trend lines slope upward. This is bearish. Falling wedge, where both trend lines slope downward. This is bullish. It seems backwards. Rising equals bearish. Falling equals bullish. Yes, because wedges are about exhaustion, not direction. The rising wedge. Price makes higher highs and higher lows. Looks bullish on the surface. But look closer. Each new high is barely higher than the last. The upper trend line is flattening. Meanwhile, the lower trend line is rising faster. The two lines are converging. This means buyers are losing steam. Each rally is weaker than the last. Each pullback is shallower because sellers are stepping in earlier. The bulls are exhausted. When the lower trend line breaks, it is like the floor collapsing. Price falls fast because all those buyers are now trapped. The falling wedge. The opposite pattern. Price makes lower highs and lower lows. Looks bearish, but each new low is barely lower than the last. The lower trend line is flattening. The upper trend line drops faster. The lines converge downward. Sellers are exhausting themselves. Each drop is weaker. Each bounce is shorter because buyers are stepping in earlier. The bears are running out of energy. When the upper trend line breaks, sellers panic to cover. Price surges upward. The falling wedge is one of the most reliable bullish reversal patterns. The volume confirmation. Volume is the secret weapon for confirming wedges. As the wedge forms, volume should be decreasing. This is crucial. If a rising wedge forms with declining volume, it confirms that buying interest is fading. Fewer and fewer traders are participating in each rally. The pattern is valid. If volume is increasing during the wedge, be cautious. The pattern may not be a true wedge. On the breakout day, volume should surge. High volume on the breakout confirms the move is real. Low volume breakout equals false signal. Bajaj Auto. The setup. Price has been climbing from 4,800. Higher highs, higher lows. It reaches 5,100 over 3 weeks. But Rahul draws the trend lines and sees it. The upper trend line connects the highs. The lower trend line connects the lows. They are converging. A textbook rising wedge. Volume has been declining for 2 weeks. Fewer buyers each day. The stock is at 5,100, but the momentum is dying. Rahul knows what this means. The floor is about to give way. Day 36. Bajaj Auto opens flat at 50,050. Then a large red candle breaks below the lower trend line. Volume surges to 3 times the average. The floor collapses. All those buyers who entered during the wedge are now trapped above. They start selling to cut losses. Each sell pushes the price lower, which triggers more stop losses, which creates more selling. Bajaj Auto drops from 5,100 to 4,700 in 6 sessions. The rising wedge breakdown. Predictable if you know what to look for. Rahul's trade. He shorts Bajaj Auto when it breaks below the lower trend line at 49.50. Stop loss above the most recent high at 51.20. Risk is 170 points. Target is calculated using the widest part of the wedge. The widest part was 300 points. Subtract 300 from the breakdown point. 49.50 minus 300 equals 46.50. That is the target. Risk 170. Reward 300. Risk to reward ratio 1 to 1.8. He takes the trade with 10 shares. Bajaj Auto continues falling. 4,900. 48.50. 4,800. The trap buyers keep selling. Rahul holds his short position. After 8 trading sessions, Bajaj Auto hits 4,700. Rahul exits at 47.50, close to his target. Profit is 200 rupees per share on 10 shares. 2,000 rupees. A clean wedge breakdown trade. He shorted what looked like a bullish stock because the pattern told him the truth the price alone could not. Rahul's wedge pattern rules. 1. Rising wedge equals bearish. Falling wedge equals bullish. Do not let the slope fool you. 2. Both trend lines must slope the same direction. If they slope opposite, it is a triangle, not a wedge. 3. Volume must decline during the wedge formation. Increasing volume invalidates the pattern. 4. Trade the breakout direction. Short the rising wedge breakdown. Buy the falling wedge breakout. 5. Target equals the widest part of the wedge measured from the breakout point. 6. Always wait for the trendline break. Do not anticipate. Wedges are deceptive. Rising looks bullish, but it is bearish. Falling looks bearish, but it is bullish. The pattern tells you what price alone cannot. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.